Welcome! In front of me I have ROGBID S2 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to enable the phone notifications for this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ROGBID application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the ROGBID application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon right here at the bottom to open the device page. On the device page, you should see your S2 watch. It should say connected. Now scroll down, find the option called notifications and tap on it. And here we can enable or disable the notifications for different apps and features. We can enable or disable the notifications for the phone calls by tapping on the switch next to phone, and then we need to allow the permissions for it to work. So enable the notification, you should get the pop-up about the required permissions and allow them for the feature to work. Next we have messages. Again, we need to allow the required permissions. And then we have the list of applications like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter and stuff like that. And if you want to enable the notifications for the specific app, simply tap on the switch next to it. If you get the pop-up, tap on enable. It will redirect you to the devices and app notifications. Find the ROGBID on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow, tap on allow, and once it's allowed, you can go back to the app, and now you can enable and disable the notifications for the applications. Okay, as you can see, we have the list of apps, and on it we have only a couple of apps. And if you don't see the application you want to receive the notifications from on this list, you need to enable the option called others. This option basically will enable notifications for every application on your phone. Okay, and once you're done customizing the settings for your notifications, you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got the message or notification on our phone, and when you wake up the screen on your watch, you should also get it on your watch, but for some reason I didn't get it. Weird. Let's try to reopen the app to resync the devices and try again. Oh, and this time we got it. Okay, so basically the phone had to sync with the watch for the changes to apply, and once they apply, you will get the notifications on your watch. And you can wake up the screen on your watch, swipe upward from the bottom of the screen to open the messages menu, and here you have your notifications. You can tap on them, read them, you can remove them, and also you have this clear button right here to clear them all. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.